Oo, ikaw. I want to talk to you heart to heart. Listen carefully. Alam mo ang pagiging Filipino, full of love, laughter, and resilience. Pero hindi natin maikakaila, may mga toxic traits din tayong kinalakihan. Yung comparing culture, yung sobrang mahiyain, yung crab mentality, yung anong sasabihin ng iba. And maybe you grow up hearing those words. Maybe nasaktan ka, napigilan ka, or napaniwala ka na you're not enough. Pero here's the truth no one told you. You are allowed to break the cycle. Hindi mo kailangan ulitin yung pain na naramdaman mo. Hindi mo kailangan ipasa yung toxicity na naranasan mo. You can choose to heal. You can choose to grow differently. And you can choose to be the first in your family who says, "Stop, tama na. This ends with me." And that's powerful. Imagine a future where you don't compare yourself to anyone, where you support instead of criticize, where you speak with kindness, not pressure. That future is start with one brave person. Oo, ikaw. So today, be proud of who you are becoming, because breaking toxic culture isn't rebellion, it's transformation, and you're doing it for the next generation. And before you scroll, I want to hear from you. Ano yung isang toxic Filipino traits na ayaw mo nang ipasa sa next generation? Comment down below. Have a great day!